Hello guys, in this video we'll be talking as to what currency depreciation means and what is the impact of this currency depreciation. Currency depreciation, remember, is when there's a fall in the value of a currency vis-a-vis other currencies. Okay, so when there's fall in the value of currency, what happens is that the imports of a country, okay, when you are in, suppose there is country X and it is importing, let's suppose, fuel, and the currency of the country X has depreciated, then this means that the country X will now have to pay more to get the same amount of imported fuel. This means that imports have become more expensive. Now what will happen is that the quantity of imports will decrease. Okay, since imports have become expensive, the quantity of imports will decrease. Of course, this is subject to the assumption that the demand is price elastic. What does this mean? This means that once the price of this petroleum increases, the demand will react to that price increase. That is, it will fall. Of course, some goods, the demand for some goods is rather inelastic. So what will happen is that the balance or the basically the import will increase in that case, because you have made the imports expensive as a result of currency depreciation, and people are still importing those products because the demand is inelastic. Now this will mean that ultimately more foreign exchange will leave your country and your currency will even depreciate even further. Okay, so the other effect of depreciation of currency is that your basically exports, they become cheaper. Since your currency has lost its value, then in the international market your exports become cheaper. Now this means that when your exports become cheaper, other countries will buy more of your goods, hence the quantity of your exports will increase. Once again, this is subject to the assumption that the demand for the exports is price elastic. This means that the demand will react positively to the decrease in the export price of exports. So in the other countries, let's suppose when the price of your goods decreases, this means that those countries will buy more of your goods because your goods are now cheaper in the market. So the net effect of this depreciation of the currency, assuming that the price is elastic, is that your current account balance of payment will improve, because ultimately you would be importing less, okay, and you will be exporting more. This means that less foreign currency, okay, will be leaving your country, and more foreign currency, more like dollars, will come into your currency. So this means that you will have a healthy current account balance, okay, and balance of payment. Of course, you will also have a healthy balance of payment position. So I hope this video clarified your concept as to what is the effect of depreciation of a currency. For more videos, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.